How to add equipment. First, open your ClearTask Solutions dashboard. Open the Content Management menu and click on Equipment. At the top, you'll see the Add Equipment tab. Type in the name of the equipment you wish to add. You can choose whether it's active or inactive. You can also select whether it's leased or owned. You can assign a crew member. You can organize your equipment by assigning it a category. At the bottom, you can add the year, the make, the model, plate number, registration month and year, VIN and serial numbers. You can also add notes. When you're finished adding your information, click on Save. You can also bulk upload the equipment. Click on the Bulk Upload tab at the top. Here you see you can add the same information but add multiple pieces of equipment at one time. You can add 5 rows at a time if you need more rows. You can also delete 5 rows at a time if you need fewer. When you've entered in your information, click on Save. Adding equipment is that easy and fast.